Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, let's take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, we're going to start with boom 1000 index on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I can see that the price of boom 1000 index has formed the bottom around here, and we have another bottom around here. Okay, and with what I'm looking at, this price is trying to push to uh, the resistance area around here, but before it gets to the 9870 level, I expect price to get to the 9725 level first. So looking at the last five candlesticks, we have one, two, three, four, five bullish candlesticks. That shows that the buyers are more active right now. In the last 1 week, the buyers are pushing price up, and price is attempting to get to the 9725 level. So we might consider buying boom 1000 index. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame shows the price is rising. Price is rising as we continue to have higher highs and higher lows. Okay, continue to have higher highs, higher lows, which is typical of a bullish trend. Price is rising. I'm going to consider buying boom 1000 index. Looking at what price has done, price has continued to break structures to the upside. We have this low, we have this high, higher low, higher high, we have this low, we have this higher high, we have this higher low, we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, we have this low, then we have this high. So price is breaking structure to the upside. We have a descending trend line around here. As soon as the descending trend line gets broken, you might want to buy boom 1000 index. On the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? We have a price forming higher highs, higher lows, and just like what we have in the 1 hour time frame, we also have on the 30 minutes time frame, price is attempting to break upwards. So you might consider buying boom 1000 index. Okay, let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. Price is bullish. As soon as we have a break above this particular trend line, we might consider buying boom 1000 index. But we have a support level around here on the 15 minutes time frame. That's at the 9590 level. A break below this level might send price downward to the next support level, which is at the 9550 level. But for now, the scope is bullish. On the 5 minutes time frame, what do we have? You can see the buyers are in the market, and the buyers are trying to push price up, but we are in a range. We are currently in a range of the 5 minutes time frame. Our range top is at the 9624 level, while the range bottom is at the 9583 level. So we might want to try and check if price going to break the range top, which is at the 9624 level. On the 1 minute time frame, price is ranging, but it's ranging upwards. Okay, drawing this ascending trend line. If this trend line is respected, price might go up. But if this trend line is invalidated, if it's broken, price might get to this next trend line and find some level of support for price to go up. So that boom 1000 index is ranging, but the scope or the forecast is for a bullish price movement. All right, let's take a look at crash 1000 index. Crash 1000 index on the daily time frame is also bullish as price continues to register. We have a low here, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So higher highs, higher lows, as typical of a bullish trend. So price is still bullish on the daily time frame, but let's take a look at what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see something like a triple top or like head and shoulder. Look at the left shoulder, look at the head, and look at the right shoulder on the 4-hour time frame. So a break of this neckline, if this neckline gets broken, then we might see price going down or retracing. But the overall scope is for a bullish trend. So if this particular level gets broken to the top, if price breaks above the 6990 level, we might see price continuing the bullish trend. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. What do we have on the 1 hour time frame? We can see that price is in a range. We have this particular, let me put this, we have this trend line, descending trend line, we have this ascending trend line, and price is ranging. Okay, so we might want to take a pause and wait for price to break above the range. We have this other block around here, and we also have this other block around here. So we want to wait for price to break above the range. If price breaks above the 6993.5 level, we buy. If it breaks below the 6879 level, we place a sell trade. So for now, price is ranging and the overall direction on the higher time frame is bullish. All right, on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see price still ranging, just like what we have on the 1 hour time frame. We should be expecting something like this, something like this, and something like this if the range is to continue. All right, on the 15 minutes time frame, price is still ranging, just like what we have on the 1 hour. On the 30 minutes, price is still ranging. But let's take a look at the other blocks. Let's take a look at the other blocks. Okay, we have price moving up for now, and as it moves up, we have this other block around here that might serve as resistance to price. We also have an other block around here that might serve as support to price. So price is still ranging on the 15 minutes time frame for crash 1000 index. On the 5 minutes time frame, we have price as in a bearish trend. Okay, and this descending trend line is currently being respected. If price gets to this trend line, it might possibly drop some more. Okay, for it to find bottom at that other block and then possibly break the trend line and start to go up. Okay, but that for the 5 minutes time frame is still bearish. On the 1 minute time frame, price is still bearish. We might want to consider selling crash 1000 index on the 5 minute time frame. But the overall direction on the higher time frame is bullish. All right, let's take a look at the boom. Let's take a look at boom 500 index on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see a top around here. Let's see price forming a top. Okay, like a triple top or like head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And price has gotten to the neckline. You can see a bit of retracement, more like a retest for price to drop. But if price fails to drop, it might go for this other block. We have this other block on the daily time frame for boom 500 index that might serve as resistance to price. So price might go into the other block and drop. Okay, but if price does not get to that level, and drops, price might find something like a support at this particular order block. We have this order block that might serve as support to price around here. Price might find support at this level and find some need to push. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is currently spiking up as this descending trend line has been broken. More like a swing. We have a swing low around here. The trend line has been broken and price trying to get to the 3709 level. Okay, that might be a resistance level, and afterwards we have this other block on the 4-hour time frame. We have this particular other block on the 4-hour time frame that might serve as resistance to price. Price could get to this other block and drop. Okay, price to get to that other block and drop. So that's that for boom 500 on the 4 hour time frame. If this double bottom is anything to work with, we have this left bottom and we have the right bottom. If it's anything to work with, price might break the trend line, the neckline around here. If price breaks the neckline and we have a retest of that neckline, price might go up. Okay, but for now, price, the bulls are trying to step in, and until we see a break above this high for us to confirm that the bulls are indeed in charge and they are trying to take price up. Taking price up, price could get to this particular level. I'm talking about the 3766 level on the 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. What do we have? We have like a tree drive triple bottom. Okay, that is giving price some push. This is the first bottom, and this is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom, giving price a push. Okay, you can see the break of the neckline. Okay, and price retested it and it's going up. So we have price already at this particular order block. Price already at this, at the closest order block, which is this. So price could drop from there, or price could push a bit higher to the next order block, which is this, and price could drop from there. So okay, so we expect price to poke into this and drop, or go a bit further into this area and drop. But if price breaks above the resistance level and closes above this area, I'm talking about the if price closes above the 3711.9 area, we might see the bulls coming fully into the market and pushing, first of all retesting that level and then pushing price up to the top. So that's that for the 1 hour time frame. For the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that price is forming. There's a low, there's a high, lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. So that's typical of a bullish structure. So price is gradually spiking upwards. So you may consider buying boom 500 index. Same on the 15 minutes time frame. We have a bullish structure in place. As price continues to print higher highs and higher lows, you might consider buying boom 500 index. Same with the 5 minutes. The current 5 minutes candle is breaking the structure around here. The structure around here is just been broken, so we might expect a retrace or a retest of that structure level for price to go up. Same thing with the 1 minute time frame. We see price spiking up, so you might join the buyers to buy boom 500 index for now. My join the buyers buy boom 500 index for now. But for now, on the higher time frame, price is retracing. Okay, boom crash 500 index. For crash 500 index, we can see that price has broken the long term range where we have like range for 3 months. Price has been ranging for the last 3 months and price has broken that range. Okay, the range got broken a couple of days back with this current candlesticks for us to have something like inverted head and shoulder on the daily time frame. So the scope for crash 500 index for now is bullish. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see that the trend line, ascending trend line, is currently being respected and price is retracing a bit, but we still have price trying to break this ascending trend line. A clean break of the ascending trend line for price to drop below the 4844.9 level might signal correction or retracement or possibly reversal. Okay, on the one hour time frame, you can see price forming more like a triple top or head and shoulder pattern. This is the left top, this is the head, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, now we have the neckline. Where do we have the neckline? We have the neckline around here. Okay, that is also in confluence with the ascending trend line. So a clean break below the neckline, a clean break below this neckline around here. Okay, and a retest of that neckline and a drop. Okay, below the retest could signal price dropping to this very other block around here. We have this other block. on the 1 hour time frame, this particular order block could serve as support to price. Okay, on the 30 minutes time frame, let's see what we have on the 30 minutes time frame. You can see price is trying to drop. Okay, we have this descending trend line and we have this ascending trend line. We might want to monitor the range of price. A drop below this particular level could push price further down. On 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? On the 15 minutes time frame, what we have is more like price is dropping, so you might want to look for selling opportunities on 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see the buyers took price up, but the sellers are currently in the market and are trying to push price down. So a drop below this particular order block, a drop this below this particular order block might signal more influx of sellers or the bears into the market, and crash 500 might start selling some more. But if the buyers are able to hold this level and push price above, if the buyers are able to push price above the 4882 level, 4882.5 level, and we have a retest of that level, we might see price rising to the descending trend line around here for the range to continue. Okay, but for now, price is ranging on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's take a look at the 1 minute time frame. You can see range on the 1 minute time frame. You might want to wait for the range breakout. Look at this, the range top, and there's the range bottom on the 1 minute time frame. So we might want to wait for the range breakout before we make the trade. But what is the overall direction? Overall direction is bullish for now. All right, so that's that for today's analysis on how to scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, if you like the video, click the like button. Drop comment below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your questions. You can also smash the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you'll be notified. You might want to go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade boom and crash index. You might also want to go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade boom and crash index. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.